All right, thanks very much, Dave. 8:01 now, and we aren't the only ones keeping a watch on the heavy rain that is moving our way this morning.
That's right. We've been checking in with different officials this morning to see about their preparations, and Mike Steele from the Governor's Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness is joining us on the phone now. Mike, thank you for joining us, and talk about what you guys are doing to prepare at this point.
Well, at this point, we have another round of coordination meetings with our local emergency managers. Those start up kind of late this morning. We're going to continue to have those each day that this situation kind of unfolds. The biggest thing that people are ramping up for, like you guys had mentioned, is the potential for this to be a tremendous rainmaker. Some of the numbers possible with this event are some of the highest we've seen since the August flooding. So it's something that we cannot, take lightly, no matter if this becomes a named storm or not. That's one of the things we want to stress to the public, and we're glad to see the National Weather Service kind of come out with some of these warnings and everything, regardless of the storm being named, because a threat is a threat, no matter if it's a named storm or not. So the biggest concern, always with this type of flash flooding is people traveling on flooded roadways. That's usually the biggest problem. Most of our fatalities going back to the August flooding and that flash flooding were due to people driving along roadways that they shouldn't have been on with those conditions. So that's kind of our most important message for the public right now.
And Mike, since, as you say, this is going to be mostly a rain event, unless it does ramp up, which they don't expect it to be too much of a wind event, we still are looking at the possibility of coastal flooding along with all the rain.
That's right. There may not be a tremendous surge problem, but, the coastal flooding is an issue. Depending on the exact track of the storm, if it hits where they're saying, that will determine a lot. But, it's very difficult to determine where the worst rain will hit, a lot of times with this type of storm.
Also,
so
if there's a steady wind that keeps pushing
forecast.
water on shore, that can be a problem.
Right. And we need people to be aware of the storm, be aware of the conditions changing. This could be a minute-by-minute situation, much like we saw with the August flooding. So people need to be aware, keep their phones charged, so in case warnings start coming through for their area, they can take the appropriate action. The good news is we saw a lot of parishes kind of early on with this start sandbagging operations and different things. If your home is at risk, for flooding and you have problems and sandbags help, take that action now. Take advantage of the small amount of time that we have left now to kind of get some of those things in place. Go to our site, getagameplan.org. There's a lot of information for businesses. And as always, just check those emergency supply kits. Hopefully people keep those stocked year-round here in Louisiana.
All right, Mike, thank you very much. Hopefully this is just a rain event, not as bad as we fear it could be.